Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Creating an inviting and stylish outdoor living space is a wonderful way to extend your home's living area and enjoy the beauty of nature. From cozy patios to expansive decks and lush gardens, there are endless possibilities for transforming your outdoor space into a relaxing retreat where you can entertain guests, unwind after a long day, or simply soak up the sunshine. When it comes to outdoor living space decor ideas, one key consideration is to establish zones that cater to different activities and functions. For example, create a comfortable seating area with lounge chairs, sofas, or outdoor sectionals where you can relax and socialize with friends and family. Consider adding a dining table and chairs for al fresco meals, barbecues, or outdoor entertaining. Enhance the ambience with string lights, lanterns, or outdoor candles to create a warm and inviting atmosphere for evening gatherings. Incorporating greenery and natural elements into your outdoor decor adds texture, color, and visual interest to the space. Consider adding potted plants, hanging baskets, or vertical gardens to create a lush and vibrant backdrop. Incorporate natural materials such as wood, stone, or wicker for furniture, accents, and decor pieces to complement the outdoor environment and create a cohesive look. To add comfort and style to your outdoor living space, invest in weather-resistant furniture and accessories that are designed to withstand the elements. Opt for durable materials such as teak, aluminum, or resin wicker that can withstand exposure to sun, rain, and humidity without fading or deteriorating. Choose cushions, pillows, and rugs made from outdoor-friendly fabrics that are resistant to moisture, mildew, and fading for added comfort and longevity. Incorporating shade and shelter into your outdoor living space allows you to enjoy the outdoors even during hot summer days or inclement weather. Consider adding a pergola, canopy, or umbrella to provide shade and protection from the sun's rays. Install a retractable awning or outdoor curtains to create a flexible and customizable sheltered area where you can relax and unwind in comfort. Personalize your outdoor living space with decor accents and accessories that reflect your personal style and preferences. Add decorative elements such as throw pillows, outdoor rugs, artwork, or sculptures to infuse personality and character into the space. Incorporate accessories such as outdoor cushions, blankets, and throws for added comfort and coziness during cooler evenings. In conclusion, outdoor living space decor ideas offer endless possibilities for creating a stylish and inviting retreat where you can relax, entertain, and connect with nature. By establishing functional zones, incorporating greenery and natural elements, choosing durable and weather-resistant furniture, and adding shade and shelter, you can design an outdoor oasis that enhances your lifestyle and brings joy and relaxation to your outdoor living experience.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!